Before you take your first bite in China, you need to know this. Sticking your chopsticks vertically in rice isn't just rude, it's a symbol of death. Today, I'm taking you inside a 100% local restaurant with 0 English menus to teach you how to order like a pro, master the etiquette, and avoid the mistakes most tourists make. Here is the reality. Paper menus are disappearing in China. Most places now require you to scan a QR code on the table. Don't panic. Open WeChat or Alipay, scan the code, and if it's all in Chinese, simply take a screenshot and run it through a translation app. It's that easy. I just ordered these soup dumplings without speaking a word of Mandarin. This digital convenience is a game changer for solo travelers and families alike. Now let's talk manners. Hold your chopsticks towards the top, not the bottom. It gives you better leverage. And remember that death symbol I mentioned? It resembles incense at a funeral, so always rest them across the bowl or on the stand. Also, don't be shocked when the waiter serves you boiling hot water. In Chinese culture, cold water is bad for digestion, while hot water heals. It's a local habit you might actually learn to love. Chinese dining is communal. We don't order my dish and your dish, we order for the table. It's about sharing flavors and building connections. Eating in China is an adventure, not a test. Don't be afraid to try. If you want my personal list of the top 10 beginner-friendly local restaurants, comment the word chopsticks below and I'll reply with the link.